There's a phrase I want you to think about today. You can't heal it if you keep hiding it. A lot of people struggle with pain, but the struggle gets bigger when they pretend they're not in pain. We hide disappointment, we hide insecurity, we hide fear and failure, and so much more. Sometimes we hide behind a cloak of humor, sometimes behind anger, sometimes behind silence. But what you bury doesn't disappear, it just goes underground. And like weeds, if buried long enough, they can grow roots. In my ABCs framework, I talk about how belief determines behavior. Here's what that means in real life. Unprocessed pain becomes hidden belief, and hidden belief quietly shapes our behavior. If I believe I'm not enough, I'll overcompensate. If I believe I can't trust anyone, I'll keep people at a distance. If I believe I always fail, I'll stop trying before I even start. And here's the kicker. I may not even realize those beliefs started with something I never addressed or dealt with. You can't fix what you won't face, and you can't heal what you keep hiding. Now, let's be clear here. Healing doesn't mean announcing your struggles to the world. And being vulnerable doesn't mean you have to put all your business on blast. It doesn't mean oversharing. It doesn't mean reliving your wounds publicly. And it certainly doesn't mean making your pain your identity. It means being honest with yourself. Growth starts when denial stops. You don't have to post it. You don't have to broadcast it, but you do have to acknowledge it. And sometimes that huge first step is as simple as choosing one trusted friend, one caring adult, one counselor, one mentor, and having one honest moment where you say, hey, I'm stuck. I could really use some help here. That single step can change everything. Because the moment something moves from hidden to spoken, it loses some of its power over you. That's not weakness. That's maturity. That's emotional strength. That's courage. You know, there's something powerful about bringing things into the light. Light doesn't shame, light reveals. And once something is revealed, it can be addressed and named. And when that happens, healing can begin. You don't have to stay stuck in what happened to you, but you do have to acknowledge it because you can't heal what you keep hiding. Just something to think about. Much love, much respect, peace.